thoughts so heavy, where's my lighter? I keep losing you like my lighter, yeah. Again and again, over and over, when will it end? My thoughts so heavy, where's my lighter? I keep losing you like my lighter, yeah. Again and again, over and over, when will it end? I sit to getting stoned, it won't break my bones. Words don't hurt, even with a megaphone. Got a sweet thing, wild thing, I'm tone low, and she do everything except go. Text that I sent a mile long, but I'm still a shy guy. Like you got a wire on, standing next to me, you'll feel the heat. Like I got a fire on, but I don't. Truth be told, I got a lion heart. I got bars like Heath, I ain't joking, check my ledger. She got my wooden hand, shit I think on Carl Weathers. Got an S on my chest, followed by.
Welcome to a very orange and special edition of a sneaker review. You're probably wondering, why so orange? Why are you so orange today? Orange, you're gonna tell me? Orange, mad that I'm not saying it? You guys already know from the title. You know what's going on. I bought some fake orange lobsters.
I think this is fake.
You think it's fake? What's that? Is that fake? Huh? What the hell's wrong with you? That's open hand slap, huh? You think it's fake? You come easy. Huh?
That's right, fake. But I'm not mad, because I knew they were fake when I bought them, and I wanted to buy them just to see how good they really were. That's right, guys. I bought some fake orange lobsters off of DHgate. I knew they were dupes, bought them for less than $100, and I want to show you guys what they look like. Let you guys see them. And I'll give you my review as we take a look at them, and I'll let you know afterwards what I think. But let's go ahead, jump into the shoe. I call them the orange Lobsters. Real quick, guys, before we jump into the shoe, the Orange Ranger said to please subscribe to the channel. Wait, there's no Orange Ranger? Okay, so, all right, well, what colors make up orange? Right, red, and then what other color? Yeah, yellow. Perfect. So, okay, fine. The red and yellow Ranger say to subscribe to the channel. It would really help me out. Yeah, or like the video, either one. Maybe I could be the Orange Ranger. What do you guys think? Huh? No? Just me, huh? Yeah. Alright. Let's look at the shoe. Now, here they are. They do not come in a box. They came bubble wrapped in a bag straight from China.
It comes from China.
So, I have no unboxing, but let's take a little bit detailed look at these bad babies. First thing you do notice, they do come with extra laces. They got the orange ones, they got the teal ones, and they got the black bands that go around the toe, because these are the lobsters, so the little black lobster bands. So already out of the gate, they're kind of coming tough with the accessories, so that's pretty cool. But taking a look at the shoe, I mean, these look good. I mean, at first glance, these look really great, actually. I mean, they feel really good. They smell like regular Nikes, guys. I'm telling you, they don't smell like that glue people talk about. They don't smell like chemicals or nothing. They smell great. Regular shoes. They feel great too. They look great. They feel great. You could even see, you can see the speckling here in the upper. I mean, the Nike swoosh has the little like skin, like shell fading type deal. I mean, the stitching is nice. Everything is good. Look, the inside, I mean, the tongue is fat. These feel like legit SBs. I mean, they feel really nice. One thing that I'm gonna point out that I know how I could spot that these are actually fake is the stitching right here on the Nike. On the swoosh, you see how it goes over the swoosh? Some SBs have that, but some don't. And the lobsters, they don't have that stitching that goes over the Nike. So it's not completely, like it doesn't exist, but definitely on these shoes doesn't exist. So if someone sees that, they could be like, those are fake. But for less than $100, guys, I mean, if you want to just rock these to the store, rock these as like a beater, even skate in these if you're a skater. These are something that definitely you could get away with buying for less than 100. I'm obviously not gonna be rocking these to some like big event, like, oh, look at me, I got the orange lobsters. Not gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be, like I said, rocking these as beaters, probably just, you know, to the store, pick up my groceries, go to my friend's crib, go smoking, you know, stuff like that. Just go to the dispensary, just random shit. I'm not really gonna be rocking these out like they're a grail or something, because obviously they're frail lobsters. Overall, guys, I do like, you know, they look good, they feel good, they smell good. And this DHgate link, man, I don't normally buy these type of stuff. I was literally just buying these to do a review on them, to see how they look, to see if they're, you know, how they feel and that. But this link had every type of SB. I mean, they had the purple lobsters, they had the chunky dunkies. I mean, whatever dunk you want, they had on there. So, you know, if you guys are interested in buying a really good dupe to just rock around as a beater, or just to, you know, to kick the shit, hit me up in the comments or hit me up in my DMs. I'll give you the link, because hey, ain't no shame in just rocking these, like, just, you know, down the street or whatever. You're not gonna be acting like these are a grail or whatever. Oh, real quick, they also came with a fucking StockX tag. It's somewhere down out there in a junk drawer or something. They came with a StockX tag that was unsealed, so you could put it in there and fucking trick people or try to sell these as like you got these legit from StockX. So that's kind of shady, but I'm sure there's people out there, guys, that buy these and then try to sell these to people on OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace and be like, oh, I got these from StockX. So just be careful if you are buying shoes from people and they're trying to claim them as legit. Just make sure you look up online what markings make the shoes legit and stuff to look for, because these are obviously definitely fake. Even though I have that StockX tag, I could go trick somebody. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna give you a quick 360 on this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you these on feet. Even though they're the Flobsters, we're gonna take a look at these on feet just to see what they look like from a distance, you know, so you can see, you know, what it looks like someone rocking these. Boom. Not a bad looking shoe. Not a bad looking shoe. Again, it's fake, but not bad. Let's go ahead and go to the arcade. Bow.
Too well, but I keep getting better. I got flu, but I ain't sick of you. I want you for real, like real. You've been studying in your room, and I've been dying in the stool. Every time you call, I don't decline. At the grocery store, I hope my car don't get declined. Yeah, Epic try to sign me, I decline. Now I'm gonna prove them all that I'll never decline. Like the point of a Sharpie, I'll be fine. Even when I lose, yo, you're still mine. Even when I lose, yo, you're still mine. Even when I lose, yo, you're still. My thoughts so heavy, where's my lighter? I keep losing you like my lighter, yeah. Again and again, over and over. When will it end? My thoughts so heavy, where's my lighter? I keep losing you like my lighter, yeah. Again and again, over and over. When will it end?
Trademark the heartbreak, can't be sold in any way. That's when I think of my image.
So there you guys have it, the orange Flobsters. Now, my personal opinion before we get out of here is I would use these as just an everyday beater, right? I put these on, I go to the store. I put these on, I go to my friend's house or something, you know, like I'm not gonna buy these and put these in my collection as like, I have the orange lobsters, you know, look at these are one of my grail. No. I would definitely, for less than $100, yes, I would definitely buy these to just rock them, you know, like I said, down the street, around the corner. But to keep them in my collection and act like they're a grail or something, absolutely not. There you have it. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you guys would ever even wear? I know some people are super like, I'm not wearing anything fake. Look, man, they're real. You know, they're tangible items. They're made out of the same material as other shoes. So I mean, again, am I gonna wear these and act like these are the real thing and try to rock these out and be a badass? No. Will I wear these to Smith's across the street to pick up my groceries? Yeah, you know, as opposed to wearing other shoes that do actually cost a lot of money and are real. That's how I feel about it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. be glad to hear it. Until next time, guys. Deuces.
On my image when you fucking other lanes, but we all know none of my exes is over a feeling. I should probably go out and beat him for Halloween. Cause it's scary ass ain't never seen a lot of day. Girl, take the mask off who you playing, ayy. I be in my zone, fuck you think I sold my soul. Get exactly what you looking for if you unlock this phone. Ooh, girl,